Hi, Chris. So I thought it would be helpful if I just did a little video with your grade book instead of emailing. It can get a little confusing. So I'm in your grade book right now. It doesn't look like you have any grades or students in Food Service 1 in this class. So let's go to the class that you actually, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look like any of these are actual classes, so we don't have to worry about those. Let's take a look at Food Service 1, P1 through 3, AB. Looks like you have a lot of assignments here. Let's take a look at your categories. You have different categories, assignments. Okay, so we're gonna go to settings, click traditional grade calculations. And this, we want to look at term weighting. Make sure your weights look good. All your weights look perfect. This looks great. Categories, you're just using classwork. That's fine. Everything looks good for Food Service 1. Awesome. Food Service 2, let's take a look. Y1, great. Quarter 3 is 40%, quarter 4 is 40%, M1 is 10, F1 is 10. Looks excellent. Keep moving down and making sure that it's set up the same way. So Food Service 1, period 2 through 4, term weighting. Great, looks good. Everything looks good. Keep going down. Food Service 2, term weighting. Now, this one only has quarter 3 at 40%. So continue on. Add the plus sign, do term weighting, keep it like that. Let's hit the plus sign again, term weighting, 440, plus sign, term weighting, F1 is 10, and then click save. I can't do that because I'm not the teacher of record, and then you should be good to go with that. And then any others that you might need. But I think that's just the last one you need to fix. Food Service 2 down at the bottom. And then you'll be good to go. All right? Looks good.